Hey, hello, and welcome to our yet another video of our Khan University Examination Board Class 9th Mathematics paper of 2022 annual examination. So, let's come to our first question of this year 2022. We have question number 1. If Z, W, and Q are the sets with the usual notations, then which of the following statement is correct? So here Z is the set of integers, W is set of whole numbers, N is the set of natural numbers, and Q is the set of rational numbers. So we have to identify that which condition is correct. So we know that set of rational number comprises of all these numbers that are integers and whole numbers, and whole numbers is a subset of natural numbers. So all the natural numbers are present in whole numbers, and all the whole numbers and integers are the subset of rational numbers. So let's see the first option, natural number union rational numbers. So the correct answer would be equal to rational numbers. So this is the incorrect one. The intersection of integers and rational number should be equals to integers. So this is incorrect, and whole number intersection with natural number, so the option D is the incorrect. So the correct answer is option C, that whole number union with integer will form integers. Now let's see question number 2. For two non-empty sets, the A delta B, that is the symmetric difference, that is given by A union B minus A intersection B. So option C in this question is the right answer. Question number 3. If the point P and Q have the same abscissa, then what is the value of ordinate Q will be? So same abscissa mean the values of x coordinate. So this is the x coordinate and this is x coordinate. So 2x plus 1, it should be equals to 7. In this way, x will be equals to 7 minus 1, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So value of x in this point is x equals to 3. We have to find the value of ordinate, and ordinate of q is 3x minus 1. So 3 into x minus 1, that will be equals to 3 into 3 minus 1, 9 minus 1 equals to 8. So option D is the right answer. Now we have question number 4. The correct statement for the distributive property of union over intersection. So union over intersection, the correct property is represented in option A, that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Option A is the right answer. Then we have question number 5. We are given with a universal set from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and A complement union B complement is equal to A, B, G, H. We have to find the value of A intersection B. So we know that A complement union B complement itself is equal to A intersection B whole complement. So here I have solved this expression that A complement union B complement is equals to A intersection B whole complement. क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास इसकी वैल्यू गिवन थी A B G H and complement means universal minus A intersection B. So universal set की जगह मैंने universal set को replace कर दिया and A intersection B is as it is. So we have to see that what should be subtracted from this universal set so that we get A, B, G, H. So A, B, G and H. These four elements are left in this subtraction of A intersection B from universal. It's mean these are the elements that are present in A intersection B, so that when we subtract this A intersection B from universal set, we will get A, B, G and H. So the value of A intersection B should be C, D and E, F. So question number 5, option B will be the right answer. Then we have got the question number 6. The given diagram represents. So as we can see, the whole A and B sets are subtracted from the universal set. So universal minus A union B. So this Venn diagram is of A union B whole complement, as well as we can say that A complement intersection B complement. These two can be the operation, and the Venn diagram represents these two operations. So A complement intersection B complement and A union B whole complement. These two conditions 2 and 3 both can be correct. So for option question 6, the option D we have is the right answer. Let's see now question number 7. For two non-empty sets, A intersection B is this and A delta B is this. We have to find the A union B. So the formula for symmetric difference is A union B minus A intersection B. We have the A delta B, that is 1 comma 3, and A union B, we have to find the value of A union B, and A intersection B is 2, 4 and 6. So what should be the value of A union B, so that when we subtract 2, 4, 6 from A union B, we will get 1 and 3. So the correct answer would be option D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, so that when we subtract 2, 4, 6 from them, we will get 1, 3. Option D is the right answer. In the given set, x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, y equals to ABC. If the relation from x to y is defined as 1a, 2b, 3c, then f is an binary relation into function or 1, 1 function. So set x is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set y is ABC. The relation is 1a, 2b and 3c. So as we can see, this domain is left in the set X. This means that this relation f is not a function. So condition 2 and condition 3 both are incorrect, because for a relation to be a function, domain should be equals to A. So in this way, we have got only one condition, that this is just a binary relation from x to y. So we can mark option A as the right answer. Which of the following diagram does not represent a function from m to n? So we know that for a function, domain should be equals to set M. This means that every element of set M should have a image in set N. So all the values of M has an image in set N. Similarly, in last two options, we can see all the elements in set M has a image in set N. While in option A, as we can see, this element in set M have the multiple images of multiple images in set n, or in short, domain of this relation is not equals to m. These four elements do not have any image in set n, so this is not a function, this is just a binary relation from m to n. So option A is the right answer for question number 9. Question number 10, which notation of the number this is? Uh, we have to identify the ordinary notation of this number. So as we can see, we have got the power of 10. This means that this decimal will move to the right hand side. So 2, 4 and 6. So this decimal would be shifted towards right hand side. So 1003421.6. So this will be the ordinary notation. Option C is the right answer. Then question number 11, we have to find the value of a in this logarithmic equation. So log of 5 cube to the base a equals to minus 3. So let's move this 3 to the coefficient side. So 3 log 5 to the base a equals to minus 3. This minus 3 will be divided on the other end side, so that log 5 to the base a will be equals to minus 3 over 3. This will be cancelled out and we will get log 5 to the base a equals to minus 1. Then we will convert this expression into exponential form. So 5 will be equals to a raised to the power minus 1. In this way, we can get a is equals to 1 over 5. So question number 11, option C is the right answer. Now let's see question number 12. In this logarithmic expression, we have to convert this into single log. The values are log 3x minus log of x square plus log of x minus y. So we do not have any coefficient in the logarithmic side, so we can just convert this directly into single log, while the positive log will be in numerator and the negative log will move to the denominator. So the x and x will be cancelled out. So the correct answer for question number 12 will be option D, 3x into x minus y over x square. So option D is the right answer. The logarithmic form of 9 raised to the 1 over 9 raised to the power 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 3. So when we convert this into logarithmic form, this power will move to the base, and we will apply the logarithm on the other side of the equation, and this 1 over 9 will shift towards the right hand side in the base of the logarithm. So log of 1 over 3 to the base 1 over 9 equals to 1 over 2. So the option that is correct in this is option B. Then we have question number 14. Log of 2 equals 0.3010. Log 5 is this. We have to find the value of log 32 over 10. So for that, we can simplify this as log of 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 10. 2 multiplied by 5. So 1, 2 will be cancelled out. We will get log of 2 raised to the power 4 over 5. When we apply the law of logarithm, it will become 4 log 2 minus log 5. So the value of log 2 is 0.30103 minus log 5 is 0.6989 7. So we'll multiply 4 with the 0.30103 and then subtract 0.69897 from them. So we will get 1.50515. So option C of this question number 14 is the right answer. In the given table, correct option that has a rational expression and polynomial. So this is not the polynomial because variable is in denominator. Similarly, we have a variable in denominator, so this is not a polynomial. We have got the variable in the radical sign, so this is not the polynomial. So 2x square plus 1 is a polynomial, while 1 over 2x square plus 1 is a rational expression because variable is in denominator. So option B is the right answer. Question number 16 and 17. The product of these rational expression 12a over 5 multiplied by a cube, b4 over a4 and 4b square. So let's cancel out as this a and a3 will cancel out and a3 will be cancelled with this complete a. Then we will get b2 and b2 will be cancelled out, so we will get 12b square over 5 into 4. So 4 1 is 4 and 4 3s are 12. So the correct answer is 3b square over 5, that is in option C. So this is the right answer. The value of a in the expression this for b equals to 3, d is 5 and c minus 1. So b minus 2c divided by a is equal to d. So let's put the values of the variables. B is 3 and c is minus 1 divided by a equals to d, that is 5. So 3 minus into minus 1 is 3 plus 2 over a is equal to 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5 over a equals to 5 and 5 over 5 will be equals to a. We will move this a to the left hand side and 5 will move into the denominator. So value of a will be equals to 1. So the correct answer is in option C. We have to find the value of a cube minus 1 over a cube, and the value of 1a minus 1 over a is minus 1. So first of all, we have taken the common from a minus 1 over a equals to minus 1. So हमने सबसे पहले minus common ले लिया. Minus common लेने के बाद we get the value 1 over a minus a, that is equals to minus 1. Then हमने whole cube का formula apply किया और formula apply करने के बाद इसे simplify किया, as you all can see in this solution. So we get the value of 1 over a cube minus a cube, that is equals to minus 4. So option A will become the correct answer. Now we have question number 19. The simplest form of the sum of a minus 2 square root a and a minus 1. So we have to add these three different radical expressions: square root a minus 2, square root a and square root a minus 1. So as we can see that these three terms cannot be added because these three terms have different radicands, so we cannot add these three terms. For addition of rational expressions, the radicands should be same. So the sum of these expressions will be option D, that is square root a minus 2 plus root a plus root a minus 1. The product of a minus 1, a cube plus 1 and a cube square plus a minus 1 will be. So a minus 1, a cube plus 1 and a square plus a plus 1. So we have to find the product of these three expression. So product of these two terms will be equals to a cube minus 1 and a cube plus 1. If we take again continued product, we will get a6 minus 1. So option C is the right answer. Now let's see question number 21. If s square minus 4t square plus u4 is equals to 16. So first of all we will solve this s square plus 4t square plus u4. The value of this is 16 and then su square minus 2st minus 2t square, that is equals to 10, and we have to find the value of s minus 2t plus u square whole square. So let's expand this with the help of formula. Let's say this is a and this is b. So this will be equals to s minus 2t whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into s minus 2t into u square plus b square, that is u square whole square. So इस expression को further expand करेंगे, it will become s square minus 4st plus 2u square s minus 4u square t plus u4. So in this, as we can see, s square and 4t square plus u4, it is equal to 16. So the value of this is s square plus 4t square plus u4. The sum of these three terms will be 16. Then we will get minus 4st plus 2u square s minus 4u square t. तो इन तीनों में से हम plus 2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं. We will get 2st plus u square s minus 2u square t. इसकी वैल्यू हमें गिवन है, that is equal to 10 su square. So 16 plus 2 into 10, this will become 16 plus 20 equals to 36. So the answer for this question is option D. The expression x minus 3 whole square minus 2 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to the product of which of the following expression. So first of all, इस मिडल टर्म में से हम माइनस साइन कॉमन ले लेते हैं. So it will become x minus 3 whole square plus 2 into x minus 3 plus x minus 3. इन तीनों टर्म में से हम x minus 3 once again कॉमन ले सकते हैं. We will get x minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So x minus 3 and ब्रैकेट को अंदर सॉल्व करेंगे. So we will get x minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 will be cancelled out and we will get x minus 3 into x. So the correct answer is in option B. Then we have question number 23. इसे हमें completely factorize करना है. तो सबसे पहले तो हम 5 कॉमन ले लेते हैं यहाँ से. We will get 1 plus 10r plus 25r square. So इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर एक्सप्रेशन को हम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के फॉर्मूला से सॉल्व कर देते हैं. 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 1 into 5r plus 5r square. So as we can see, ये हमारे पास एक perfect square form हो रहा है 5 into 1 plus 5r whole square. So the factorized form of this is in option C. Then we have question number 24 जिसे हमें factorize करना है p square minus h square plus minus 2h plus 1. सो सबसे पहले तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर अगर हम देखें तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर कंप्लीट स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला फॉर्म हो रहा है दैट इज a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू h माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर, जिसे हम डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर के फॉर्मूला से अगेन सॉल्व करें वी विल गेट p प्लस h माइनस 1 एंड p माइनस h plus 1. So the correct answer will be option B, p plus h minus 1 and p minus h plus 1. Question number 25. One of the zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus x minus 1. So what we have to do is we have to put the values of x from these options in this polynomial px. Let's find a p of minus 1. So minus 1 जब put करेंगे so 2 into minus 1 cube minus into minus 1. So we will get minus 1 cube is minus 1, so minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, that is not equal to 0. So minus 1 and 0 both are incorrect. नेक्स्ट हम p की x की जगह हम 1 पुट कर देते हैं सो वी गेट 2 इंटू 1 क्यूब माइनस इंटू 1 माइनस 1. सो 2 minus 1 will become 0. So option C is one of the zeros of this polynomial. One of the factor of this polynomial p of x is, सो बारी बारी हम इन तमाम ऑप्शन में से x की वैल्यूज़ को पुट करते हैं इस पॉलिनोमियल के अंदर. x is 2, x is 1, x equal minus 1 एंड x is equals to minus 2. सो इन वैल्यूज़ को हम पुट करेंगे जहां हमारे पास पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है. इट्स मीन दिस इज़ द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल. सो मैं पुट करता हूँ यहाँ पर ऑप्शन बी में से x इज इक्वल्स टू 1. सो दिस बिकम 1 क्यूब माइनस 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1. सो 1 क्यूब इज 1 माइनस 2 प्लस 1, सो दिस बिकम्स 0. सो ऑप्शन बी में हमारे पास x की वैल्यू से आंसर 0 फॉर्म हो रहा है. बट रिमेनिंग 3 वैल्यूज़ को जब हम पुट करेंगे सो पॉलिनोमियल विल नॉट गिव 0. This means that these 3 are not the factor, x minus 1 is the factor. Then we have to factorize this expression 1 over 27 plus 27a cube. So we can write this as a cube plus b cube. So 1 over 3 whole cube plus 3a whole cube. जब हम इसे फैक्टराइज करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 1 over 3 plus 3a and a square that will be 1 over 9 minus ab that will be equals to a and plus b square that will be 9a square. So this is the factorized form of this expression that is in option B. So this is the right answer. Then we have question number 28. 1 plus 4c4. इसे हमें completely factorize करना है. So factorize करने के लिए हम plus 2ab और minus 2ab कर देते हैं. So this is a square plus this is b square. Then we get plus 2ab and minus 2ab. a की जगह हम पुट कर देते हैं 1, b की जगह पुट कर देते हैं 2c स्क्वायर. सिमिलरली यहाँ 1 और यहाँ 2c स्क्वायर. सो इन दीज 3 टर्म्स से मिलके हमारे पास फॉर्मूला फॉर्म हो जाएगा 1 plus 2c स्क्वायर and whole square minus 4c square. So once again difference of square का formula apply करते हैं. 1 plus 2c square plus 2c and 1 plus 2c square minus 2c. So this is the factorized form of this expression 1 plus 4c4. So the correct answer is option A. If x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, so we have to find the value of A. So factor means at x is equals to 1, polynomial will become 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. So x की जगह हम 1 पुट कर देते हैं इस polynomial में. 1 cube minus a 1 square plus 1 equals to 0. So 1 minus a plus 1 equals to 0. 2 minus a is equals to 0. So the value of a will be equals to 2. So correct answer is option D. Then we have question number 30. To factorize this expression, the options essential arrangement will be. So इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशंस को जब हमें फैक्टराइज करना हो तो हम दो ब्रैकेट्स के पेयर बनाते हैं सो दैट वी कैन गेट द कॉमन टर्म्स, ताकि हम उसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सॉल्व कर सकें. सो ऑप्शन बी कंडीशन 2, जिसे मैं यहाँ चेक करके दिखा रहा हूँ. इस तरह से हम जब अरेंज करेंगे तो x minus 1 and x plus 2 will be equals to x square plus x minus 2. एंड दूसरा जो ब्रैकेट हमारे पास है x minus 2 और x plus 3 का, तो उसमें भी हम जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस 6 प्लस 15. सो हमने x minus 2 और x plus 3 का एक पेयर बनाया और x minus 1 और x plus 2 का एक पेयर बनाया और उनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमारे पास क्वेश्चन कुछ इस तरह से फॉर्म हो गया. सो एज वी कैन सी x स्क्वायर प्लस x दोनों में आ रहा है. सो हमारे पास सब्स्टिट्यूशन हो जाएगी x स्क्वायर प्लस x इक्वल्स टू y. सो y minus 2 y minus 6 प्लस 15, जिसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करके फर्दर फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. सो राइट नाउ द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. Let's see question number 31. The matrix 5 minus 5 0 0 is a type of which type of matrix? So this matrix is not a identity matrix and this is not a diagonal matrix. Sorry, this can be a diagonal matrix. So symmetric matrix चेक करने के लिए जब हम इसका ट्रांसपोज लें तो ट्रांसपोज शुड बी इक्वल्स टू द सेम मैट्रिक्स. तो जब हम ट्रांसपोज लेंगे तो इस रॉ को कॉलम फॉर्म कर देते हैं और इस रॉ को भी हम कॉलम बना देते हैं. सो एज वी कैन सी ट्रांसपोज लेने के बाद भी हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स बिल्कुल सेम आ रहा है. इट्स मीन 1 and 2 बोथ कंडीशंस आर ट्रू. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. If the additive inverse of this matrix is this, then what will be the value of A? So additive inverse का मतलब है if we take the sum of these two matrix, the result will be 0. So minus A minus 3, 0 plus 0, 5 minus 5 and 0 plus 0. So this whole matrix should be equals to null matrix because दो additive inverse को add करने से result always is a null matrix. So minus A minus 3 should be equals to 0. So in this way इसको solve कर देते हैं. minus A minus 3 is equals to 0. So A will be equals to minus 3. Option B is the right answer. In question 33, if A is matrix, B is this matrix and C is this, so the possible product is A cross B. जब हम A, B और C को देखते हैं तो A, B and C. A और B का जो ऑर्डर है it is 2 by 2 and 2 by 1 एंड C का ऑर्डर जो है वो है 1 by 2. तो जब हम A और B को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो फर्स्ट रॉ के ए के अंदर नंबर ऑफ रॉज और बी में नंबर ऑफ कॉलम the number of column in A should be equals to number of columns in B. So A के columns और B की rows same है, its mean product is possible. A को अगर हम C से करेंगे तो A के कॉलम और B की C की रॉज देखेंगे, सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड B को A से जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो B के कॉलम्स और C के रॉज सेम नहीं है. इसका मतलब है देयर इज ओनली वन मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल, दैट इज इन कंडीशन 1. सो फॉर 33 ऑप्शन A इज द राइट आंसर. Question number 34, the determinant of this matrix. So determinant calculate करते हैं a into 0 and minus a into 1. So a into 0 is 0 minus a, that is equals to plus a. So the correct answer is option C. Then we have to find the adjoint of matrix W. So adjoint मालूम करते हैं इस matrix W का. So for adjoint हम diagonal elements को replace कर देते हैं और जो upper lower diagonals हैं उनकी signs को change कर देते हैं. So this will become the adjoint of matrix W. So the correct answer is option B. The matrix form of this linear equation 1 minus x plus y and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So सबसे पहले तो इसे अगर हम arrange कर लें, so we will get minus x plus y is equal to minus 1 और x plus 0y equals to 3. तो ये हमारे पास कुछ इस तरह से इक्वेशन फॉर्म हो जाएगी. सो मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन फॉर्म करेंगे तो वी गेट minus 1 and 1, सिमिलरली 1 and 0. फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स में हमने x और y के कोफिशिएंट्स लिख दिए, सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स में x y वेरिएबल आ जाएंगे, देन हमारे पास आ जाएगा minus 1 and 3. सो दिस इज द मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म ऑफ दिस algebraic equations in question number 36. So the correct answer is in option D. Now let's see question number 37. Using Cramer rule, the value of y from x plus y equals to 1 and x minus y equals to 3. So x plus y equals to 1 and x minus y equals to 3. दो algebraic equations given है तो इससे जल्दी से हम मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन बना लें 1 1 and 1 minus 1. Then second column matrix, that is x and y equals to column matrix 1 3. So the value of y is equal to dy divided by d. So dy अगर हम देखें so dy will be equals to 1 1 and 1 3. हमने y के कोफिशिएंट्स को रिप्लेस कर दिया, डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास डिटर्मिनेंट आ जाएगा 1 1 1 minus 1. सो इस एक्सप्रेशन को देखते हैं कि किस ऑप्शन में हमारे पास ये एक्सप्रेशन मौजूद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 में. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. x and y are two square matrix such that xy equals to yx equals to I. If I is the identity matrix, then x and y are multiplicative inverse of each other. So one thing should be remembered that जब भी हम किसी दो मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और हमारे पास आंसर आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स आ जाए, दैट्स मीन दीज टू मैट्रिसेस आर multiplicative inverse of each other. Question number 39. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of this matrix. So we know that inverse is equal to adjoint divided by determinant. तो सबसे पहले अगर हम determinant calculate करें 2 into minus 3 and minus 1 into 6, बीच में हमने अप्लाई कर दी माइनस साइन. तो माइनस 6 प्लस 6 इक्वल्स टू 0. तो डिटर्मिनेंट हमारे पास 0 आ रहा है. दिस मीन्स दैट दिस मैट्रिक्स इज ए सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. In triangle ABC, we have to find the length of BC. As we can see, this is 90 degree and this is 45. This means that यहाँ जो angle आएगा वो भी 45 degree होगा. And in a right angle triangle, when angles are 45, it means these two sides will be equal. So this side will be equals to 5 root 2. Option D is the right answer. Question number 41. In the given correspondence, triangle ABC is congruent or similar to DEF. So ABC is congruent to DEF. We have to find the value of x. So as we can see, this 2x minus 5 is equal to AB. So correspondence से we can see AB और DF ये दोनों आपस में बराबर होंगे. So AB is congruent to DF from the given congruency statement. So 2x minus 5 should be equal to DF, that is 15. So 2x will be equals to 15 plus 5, 20, and x is equal to 4. So the value of x in this question is 4. So 41, option A is the right answer. So let us make a correction that 20 over 2 is equal to 10. So option D will be the right answer. Next we have question number 42. In this given triangles correspondence ABC and DEFD, AB is equal to EF, BC equals to FD, and angle ABC is equals to angle EFD. Then we have to find, with the help of given condition, we have to find the value of x. So as we can see, x like a ray opposite to the third side. So according to this, opposite to third side is 61. So इस ट्राइंगल में थर्ड साइड के सामने अगर x आ रहा है तो यहाँ भी थर्ड साइड के सामने दिस शुड बी इक्वल्स टू x. The value of x is 61 degrees. Question number 43. In the given correspondence ABC congruent to DEF, we have to find the length of DF. So from the correspondence, DF should be equals to AC. DF is equal to AC. So triangle के अंदर अगर हम देखें तो DF is not given और DF की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ पे given नहीं है. So DF जो है वो itself AC के बराबर है. तो सबसे पहले तो हम यहाँ से अगर AC निकाल लें, so इस triangle correspondence में से we can see that AB side बराबर होगी, the side AB is equal to DE. So AB हमें given है 2x minus 2 और DE हमें given है 12. So यहाँ से अगर हम x की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं, so x will be equals to 12 plus 2 14 divided by 2 7. x की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ गई 7. Then DF जो हमें मालूम करना था जो कि इक्वल है AC के, तो AC हमारे पास गिवन है x plus 3k. So x is 7 plus 3. So this means DF will be equal to 10. So question 43, option C is the right answer. In this given triangle ABC, CD and DE are two medians of the triangle if OB is equal to 6. So we know that the median point of where the median intersect is the point of trisection. So OB itself is equal to 6. This means that this will be equals to half of 6 and OE is equal to x minus 1. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो OE given है हमें it is x minus 1. So as we can see OB का जो half है it will be equals to OE. So x minus 1 will be equals to 3. So x will be equals to 4 in this question. Option B is the right answer. In the triangle ABC, M, N are the midpoints of the side AB and AC. So M और N ये दोनों जो है वो AB और AC के midpoints हैं. This means ये दोनों sides आपस में बराबर हैं और AN और AC NC ये दोनों आपस में बराबर हैं. If BC is equals to 14, B से लेकर C तक ये 14 है और MN is equals to 2x minus 1. So this line MN will be half of the BC. MN will be equals to half of BC because this MN is formed by joining the midpoints of two sides. So MN is 14 equals to 2x minus 1 over 2. So यहाँ से जब हम x की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं, so 28 will be equals to 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1, तो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू मालूम करनी है, so 2x is equal to 29. So let me correct one thing कि जो साइड BC है वो MN का डबल होती है या फिर MN इक्वल होती है हाफ ऑफ BC. So MN की जगह हम पुट कर देते हैं 2x minus 1 and BC is 14 over 2. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 7. So x will be equals to 7 plus 1, 8 over 2, that is 4. So question number 45, option B is the right answer. In this given parallelogram, the value of A. So A and D, these two angles are the neighboring angle or adjacent angle, and we know that adjacent angle का जो sum है वो हमेशा 180 डिग्री के बराबर होता है in a parallelogram. So angle A is 2A minus 10 and angle D is 50. It is equal to 180. So 2A plus 40 is equal to 180 and 2A will be equals to 180 minus 40, that is equals to 140. In this way A becomes 70. So question 46, option C is the right answer. Then we have question number 47. In this diagram, the correct relation between the length represented by A, B, D and E. So as we can see, यहाँ जो BD हमारे पास एक लाइन बनी हुई है, it is the angle bisector, because we can see that कि दोनों एंगल्स यहाँ पे बराबर हैं, जिसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये दोनों एंगल्स बराबर डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. सो BD विल बी दी एंगल बाइसेक्टर और जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है पॉइंट ऑन द एंगल बाइसेक्टर का विद द आर्म्स वो हमेशा बराबर होता है. सो ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस आपस में बराबर होगा. सो A and E आर इक्वल. सो ऑप्शन A विल बी द राइट आंसर. In question 48, in this diagram, correct relation between the length will be. So as we can see, this is the 90 degree. So यहाँ पर भी जो एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री फॉर्म होगा. So if this line is 90 degree and this point lie on the angle by right bisector, so these two lengths will be equal, जिसका मतलब ये होगा कि ये जो दोनों साइड्स हैं ये भी आपस में बराबर होंगी. सो पॉइंट ए जो है वो राइट बाइसेक्टर के ऊपर लाई कर रहा है. क्वेश्चन में कहा है कि दीज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल्स टू ए एंड दिस पॉइंट लाई ऑन दी राइट बाइसेक्टर. सो राइट बाइसेक्टर का जो डिस्टेंस है दोनों एंड पॉइंट के साथ वो हमेशा बराबर होता है. दिस इज साइड ए बी एंड दिस इज साइड ए सी. सो ए बी एंड ए सी आर इक्वल. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. In this given triangle RST, if the sides are represented by R, S and T, then which of the following statement is false about the sides of the triangle? So यहाँ हमारे पास दो एंगल्स मौजूद हैं 65 and 42. So अगर हम ये वाला एंगल निकालें, so this angle will be equals to 180 minus 42 minus 65. So the third angle is 73. This means that this is the greatest angle. So the side opposite to this will be the greatest side. और सबसे स्मॉलर एंगल 42 है. इट्स मीन साइड S जो है वो सबसे small होगी. So T is greater than R and R is greater than S. So we have to identify the false statement. So T is greater than S. This is correct. T greater than R. S greater than R and T greater than R greater than S. This is correct. So option C is the incorrect, in which R should be greater than S. So option C is the right answer. In the given diagram, what will be the possible values of x, y and z would be? So we know that sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. So the correct answer will be in option D, that sum of any two sides 7, 7 and 13. किसी भी दो साइड्स को सम करें तो आंसर जो है वो तीसरी साइड से हमेशा बड़ा आएगा. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द right answer for this question.